Did you had any hesitation about doing the second
Oo
movie?
naman, di ba nga?
Oo, halos hindi
Sobra.
naman tanggapin eh.
Okay. And you guys,
Mahirap talaga because for something so, it's kind of important to me already.
Baby namin siguro yung One March.
Huwag mo nang guluhin, huwag mo nang pakailaman, okay na siya eh.
Also, I think it's all about taking a risk and being brave.
Oo.
Diba? Ano siya eh. Risk talaga siya for all of us eh. But we are gladly taking the risk for everyone to see na pwede pa, meron pa.
Imposible ako, I wouldn't be surprised kung halimbawa after 10 years, may glamour or...
Grabe, no? It would be the most beautiful thing I think.
Kasi parang tingin ko pwede eh, parang...
Ako din.
Kung ngayon interesado sila, eh kung tutuusin, ang part 2 ang pinaka-boring sa lahat.
but if ever, are you to...
But seryoso
Way
yun.
to promote.
Hindi.
But are you to, if ever, open to that possibility again of doing a movie, of a
Alam
third?
mo, kasi based on experience lang.
Ito madami nang nagawa na ano.
Hindi, isa pa lang naman.
Ay, yung
Yung
Sarah.
franchise nung A Very Special Love.
Oh.
Okay.
And para sa akin, pwede mo na nga hindi panoorin yung part 2 eh. Pero, papanoorin mo pa rin, bakit? Ba't mo siya papanoorin?
Bakit?
Wouldn't you want to know? Alam mo, as much as parang feeling ko hindi siya kailangan or boring siya, it's so important because you have the beginning and then you have the ending. So, anong naglilink dun sa dalawa? Diba the in-between? So, you have to find out, you have to know. So, papanoorin mo pa rin eh, wala ka naman choice eh. Tsaka, who knows kung meron part 3?
Yun eh, who knows?
Who knows, diba?